Hey bunnies, so for today's video we're going to be talking about this hair that I'm wearing. Now this is a synthetic lace front wig and I did get it from my local beauty supply store. The name of the wig is Super Jacky and it comes from the company Main Concept. Now Main Concept was originally Isis and they changed their name to Main Concept for obvious reasons. When I did purchase my wig, it did still have the old name on the packaging because this is one of their older wigs. It's 100% synthetic. I do believe it's Futura fiber, so if I did want to straighten it out, I should be able to do so. When you go to purchase yours, it may or may not have the old name or the new name on the packaging. Now this is from their Super series, which is their longer hair, so this is like about 30 inches long. It does come all the way down to my hips when I stand. It's very big and curly. It is so soft. This is my 4th day wearing this wig and I will say on day 1 it was so freaking gorgeous. I wore it out Saturday night. One of my girlfriends, she was in town for the weekend, so we just went out and had the most amazing night. By day 2 it started to not look as cute. Day 3 I wanted to cry. Now it's day 4 and I'm sitting here in a nest, literally in a nest. I tried to put some water and like a curly hair pudding or something because I'm out of fabric softener, believe it or not, because that's what I would have normally put on there, fabric softener and some water, but I'm out of that. So what I did was I had some Motions, I think it's Motions curly hair pudding, something like that. Put it, because I had a little sample of it, put that in a spray bottle, shook that up, sprayed all through the wig, and we're just separating the curls, making it, you know, try to bring it back to life, which is something that I do or you can do to your curly units to give them more life or after they've been worn out, even though it's only been 3 days, 4 days that I've had this wig. Did that actually last night and this is what it looks like now. It still doesn't look like how it looked on day 1, but it looks a lot better than it did on day 3. I don't know. I love the length. I love how it, cause I don't know. It's big and sexy and I just love it. I love it so much. I just hate that it gets so nesty so quick. I hate it, like it's matting and tangled. Oh. But what can you expect from such long hair, such curly hair at that? But I promise you, when it first comes out of the packaging, it's gorgeous. So if you need something like just for the weekend, this is the wig for you. Now what I did with the front, usually if you watched my older videos, my older lace front videos, I did, which one was it? Super Veronica. I don't think they make that one anymore. But Super Veronica, what I did, I left out my natural hair. Like I cut all the lace off the wig and it kind of wear it like a half wig. And I love doing it like that. But because I'm what now, 5 months post? April is going to be 5 months. Right. April will make me 5 months post since my last relaxer, and I don't want to leave out any of my hair. I don't want to add any stress to my natural hair, so I decided to leave just a little bit of lace on the wig and glue it down. But not with like regular lace glue, but with gel. I used the Gorilla Snot gel, the one in the yellow and orange jar. I applied that to my hairline, let it sit for like a good minute or 2, and then put my wig on. I did cut some little baby hairs in the front just so that when I'm, you know, pulling it down, you're seeing hair instead of lace. Now I did get this idea from, actually, you know, I've been known about this, but I did see some with using the synthetic wig. Her name is Chrissy J. I'm so sorry if I just messed up her name, but I will leave a link to her channel in the description bar, and I don't know if I can post a video of one of her videos in here, but I'll try. I don't know if that's like copyright. I don't know, but I'll do something so you can find her, because how she does her synthetic wigs I love. And then when I did this, it like pulled my entire face back, so I look like I'm like a completely different person. I got a facelift. Love it. It even makes my makeup look even better. Like, be honest, doesn't my makeup look better today than it usually does with any other hairstyle? Okay, that's because my face is like pulled back. It's so tight and I love it. I got like mad comments on this wig, like everybody loves it. I posted a video from Snapchat to my Instagram and people were like messaging me and stuff like, oh my gosh, what kind of hair is this? Where did you get it from? Da 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 da. It's a did I say it was $30? It's a $30 lace front from the beauty supply store. Get your life. I do plan on going back to wearing the more affordable hair, the synthetic lace fronts or the beauty supply store hair, stuff like that, just so that we can, I can pop out more of these videos for you so that you can get a true sense of how each hair works. Yeah. So this is like I said, the Super Jacky. I did do, for Christmas, I did wear the Super Venus, and the same thing happened. The main difference of the Super Jacky and the Super Venus, since I didn't do a review on the Super Venus, is that the Super Jacky has a part on the side, which I love. If you're gonna get a lace front, get it with a side part. Unless you want to do like a ponytail, which you can still do with this if you wanted to like pull everything up. You can still do a ponytail with this, but it would be easier if it's one of them that doesn't have the part. I absolutely love it with the part. The Super Venus didn't have a part, and I had like issues flipping it back and forth, da 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 da. It did. By the second day, it started to act like this, and I was so mad because I got it Christmas Eve. I wanted to wear it Christmas Day, and I had the hardest time with it, especially because I cut most of the lace off, which I will say, if you guys do not want to leave your hair out, if you want your wig to stay on your forehead, do not cut off all the lace. Okay, if you have a tiny forehead, I don't know how that would work. I have like a big old forehead, like literally this is where my brows start, right? I have like a 4.5 head, 5 head. So doing this, I now come down to like a 3 head. But I do love the hair. I just hate the fact that it's nesting up on me so quickly. I'm gonna go get some fabric softener though and try to like give it a bath in some warm water and the fabric softener and just let that air dry and see if that will, I know it will help, but I hope it brings it back to its former glory, because it was so pretty on day one. Like literally on Saturday, I was having the worst day ever. I cried multiple times throughout the day, which I'm not gonna get into. I can't. But when I came home and I put this wig on, girl, I was, listen, it was so, if you ever want to get your life back, get this wig. Just don't wear it for more than 2 days. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so as usual, it does have, I should have mentioned all this in the beginning, it does have 3 combs, 1 in the middle, 2 in the side, and 1 in the back, so that's 4 combs, and the adjustable straps. It's lace from like here to like somewhere up top here, because it does have the part. You can widen the part if you want to by plucking it. This wig, out of 5 stars, I want to give it 5 based on day 1, but I'm gonna give it a 3 based on day 4. It's still pretty, it's still wearable, but it's annoying. The length isn't annoying. I don't even mind how thick my baby hairs look. I am just annoyed at the fact that it's matting up so quickly. Like I feel like I haven't fully enjoyed this wig, given that I had a ball Saturday and even Sunday. Sunday was cool. Went to a baby shower. It was all chill. I had my little thought dress on, my little furry thought slides, my little thought lace front. I didn't wear any makeup because my skin was popping that day, and I don't know what happened. And the thing is, I don't sleep in the wig. I put it on my mannequin head throughout the night, so it just sits there all pretty. I don't know what happened. It's literally been 4 days. By the time you see this video, it's gonna be day 5, but currently right now this is day 4, and this is what it's looking like, and I don't know. I don't know. I know the things I'm supposed to do, which I am doing, but it's not, yeah. If you have any questions for me, if you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. Please make sure that you guys subscribe, and when you do, hit the bell that pops up beside the subscribe button, or however that works, so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. It's been like a complete week. Has it been a week? Because I didn't upload Sunday gone, I didn't upload Wednesday before, so yes, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, so yeah. Until next time, Peace sign and kissy face. Bye.